of this recording is to show you how easy it is to create a new learning bundle in My Big Campus. Remember, learning bundles are a great way to share digital content that you have either created or curated from other sources so that you can provide some digital content for your students to access. So what we're going to do is click on the orange Create button at the top of your screen. And you're going to see options to create schoolwork, a My Big Campus document, or a bundle. For this, we're going to select to build a bundle. And what you're going to do then is go through the steps of creating a bundle. You're going to have a title for your bundle. You have to include all of these things. And then you're going to select the bundle type, and I'm going to just go ahead and say that this is a lesson. Then I'm going to click on between every phase, you're going to click Save Bundle, and you'll notice after I do that, my bundle's already 66% complete just by titling the bundle. The next tab is your content, so it's what you want to add to the bundle. Now, to make an effective learning bundle, it should be a standalone learning experience for the student. So rather than just throw a bunch of materials in there with no guidance, we really recommend that you kind of provide a narrative for the students of what they're going to do and what some different things that are in there. So to start typing, you'll just click on the Insert Text and you'll see a basic text box there. What you'll want to do is to change the size of your fonts and those kinds of things just to make it aesthetically nice for the students. And when you're finished typing in the text box, you will hit Done Editing, and then that text is there. Then if you want to kind of introduce the first thing, you can start another text box. Oops. And what you're going to do here then is we're going to add a graphic in here. So what you can do, remember we selected Insert Text to go ahead and put the narratives in. To insert a file or even an image, you can just drag and drop it in there. You can also click on that and select it from whatever source you have it in, and you'll see that the graphic went right in there for me. Now, I recommend that periodically as you're building your bundles, you hit Save Bundle just to make sure that everything you want is in there. One of the greatest things about My Big Campus is that you can insert videos into your bundles. So I'm going to go ahead and put a video in and show you how to do that. First, I'll insert narrative to let my students know what this is about. Again, staying with the same guidelines for text just so that it flows, it reads nicely. Okay, and then what we're going to do, I'm going to go ahead and click Save Bundle, and now I'm going to show you how to put a video in. Basically, what a video allows you to do, this is a video that I found on YouTube. What you're going to do is if you find something that you like on YouTube, or even if you make a video yourself, of yourself teaching something or explaining something via a whiteboard app or a screen recording. You can add all of those to your bundles by putting them in the My Big Campus library first. And I'm going to show you how to do that now. Remember, a quality bundle will have authentic instruction, not just YouTube videos and those kinds of things, but it will have authentic teacher instruction as well. Our students like to see that, and we've kind of reached a point in our digital curation where we are ready to start making those materials for our students. So it's great for a lot of reasons. One reason is that you can always refer back to it if students are struggling even after a lesson. You have that right there. You can provide them with a bundle, and then your piece of authentic instruction is already in there. It's great to review for tests, all kinds of things. Okay, so to put a video into your bundle, what you need to do is make sure it's in the My Big Campus library first. So I clicked over on this library icon here, and I want to add a library item. In this case, I'm going to add a new YouTube video. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to paste the link in that I got from YouTube itself. And then I'm going to click Get Info. Now, this says that this video already exists in the library. I'm not surprised by that, and you'll be surprised at how many things are actually in the My Big Campus library. If it does not, if it's a video that you have made, like a piece of authentic instruction, and it's not already in the My Big Campus library, that's okay. All you have to do is to fill out these simple fields and hit Add, and it'll automatically throw it in there for you. So because it's already in here, I'm just going to say View Item, and it's going to take me to where that video is in My Big Campus. And look at what my choices are. I can add it to my drive in My Big Campus, or I can add it to a bundle, any particular bundle. So I'm just going to say Add to Bundle, and I'm going to find the bundle that I want to put it in, which is the one we were just looking in, and I get the message that it's there. If you want to add it to your drive because you're going to be adding it to multiple bundles, that would be a better choice there as well. Also, if it's authentic, an authentic instructional video that you've made, it might be nice to have it in your drive just to save it there. Now I'm going to go back into the bundle I was working on. To do that, I'm going to go back in my drive and into bundles, into the bundle I was working on, and you'll notice that they threw that video right in there. Now that's not the order I want it in, so I can change that, no worries. I'm going to go up and click Edit, go back to my content, and then what I can do is I can drag this video. I can move it, location. I can drag it down. Hopefully it's going to cooperate with me there. Yep, there we go. And you kind of have to do one step at a time here, which is okay. If I would have added it to my drive, I could have just searched for it over to the side. Okay, so once we get everything in the order that we wanted in, again, I'm going to save my bundle. I could go through and add standards here. So My Big Campus has standards for each state. You just kind of select your standards. If this was a language arts bundle, it would be obviously a lot easier to associate standards with it than digital citizenship. But if you want to do that, you just click on here and then click the kind of standards that you want to put in there. I recommend that everybody who makes a bundle choose a cover art picture to go with it. Let's see if I can find something here. It says that it's something to do with digital citizenship, so we'll use it. And again, hit Save Bundle. And then once this processes, you'll see that our bundle building is pretty much complete. You do not have to publish videos, or I'm sorry, publish bundles that you build on My Big Campus. You can see I'm 100% complete without publishing. In fact, if you do publish, you need to be sure that you're citing all your sources and making sure that you're on the up and up with that. So I kind of recommend not publishing your bundles in there. Now, if I want to view the bundle that I have, there it is. There's some of the narratives that I put in, the graphic that I wanted them to review, and then the video that I added. You can also edit this at any time by simply selecting Edit here. Other people, if you send them this link, they can branch your bundle. So if I wanted to share this with another teacher, they could hit Branch, they would basically steal my bundle, giving me credit for it. It does it automatically, so that's okay. They would take my bundle and then they could add their own things to it and make a new bundle using what I had and plus what they wanted to add, or if they had things I didn't like, they didn't like out of mine, they could take it out. You can also watch a bundle. So another teacher could hit watch on here and they would have access to that bundle. And anytime I added information to it, they would also get the updates. Once you branch, you don't do that. So in a nutshell, that is what a bundle is. They're really simple to do. So I really encourage you to start working on building your bundles up in your library to provide, to share that digital content with your students and provide them with the opportunity to learn digitally. Just as a side note, you can also add web links in here. You can add PDFs, PowerPoints, keynote presentations. You can add iBooks. If you're a person who makes iBooks for your students, you can add those in there and they can download them straight out of your bundle. So it's a great way to share digital content with your students without having to mess with sharing Dropbox folders and those kinds of things. If you have any questions, as usual, just contact me and I'll be happy to help you set up your first bundle.